Hi ladies and gentlemen, thanks for joining us on today's video. What you're about to see is a video that I've put together detailing a 3-day epic road trip that we've recently done up to Aberdeen. Now, from our geographical location down here in the southwest of England, we've gone all the way up to the north of Scotland to visit 3 clients, and believe it or not, we did 3 clients in one day, which is not something we normally do. So anyway, after about 1,100 miles and very little sleep, this is what we got up to in those 3 days. It is now 5:30 a.m. and it is very dark outside. Not a creature stirs anywhere. And I'm now loading up paintings, ready to begin our epic road trip to Aberdeen. See you later. Made it. So we are day 2 of Aberdeen trip, and we've got 3 clients today. And 9:04. Let's go see the first. So I think we'll get unstrapped and everything carried around in the blowing gales of Scotland around some get them all done, and then we'll get them round to the lift, shall we? Good morning, Swears delivery.
You see, you need a bit of. Did you put music to this?
Yeah, we'll put a bit of music. We'll take the
We won't be
soundtrack.
us idly chatting, don't
No.
we? So,
No, we'll.
we just gather some
Bit of
stuff.
drum roll.
And it's that one where, knowing that we've worked with the BBC, just how much they cut. They'll take 5 hours and they'll use 3 minutes.
Yeah.
Yeah,
5 hours worth. Which we
Yeah.
did, so.
so we know that.
So
Okay.
you're confident on this one?
Oh, this is going to look epic.
It's going to be huge.
I cannot wait.
It's not.
Literally cannot wait. So here we go. Here we go. One piece of tape left. Look.
Even now, I'm chomping at the bit. He's taking so long.
Really?
There's about
3
20
and a half.
pieces on here.
Oh, look at that.
There we go. Right.
Stunning,
So
isn't
now,
Cool.
let's go up.
It is a corker.
I'll just go above that. No, I'll just cover it.
Yeah, we
I'll just
don't
cover
want
it.
to see that.
Okay.
No, that's
So-
I think that's pretty good.
yeah, sold
'Cause-
to the man in the blue cardigan.
one done. Off to number 2. Right, that's client number 2 done. We're working really well today. So now we're going back south, back towards Aberdeen centre for another hour. And we'll do client number 3 and see how we get on. It's going well. Okay, we've arrived at client number 3 for the day at 3:15. So let's see how this goes and we'll report back shortly. Okay, that's client number 3 done today. So yeah, 3 out of 3. Everyone really happy. And I think now before we do anything else, it's time for a bite to eat. We hung paintings. This is day 3 of the Aberdeen trip. 3 clients done, 2 nights slept, 1 drive remaining. See you in 467 miles time. Well, that was our epic road trip to Aberdeen, which is a couple of days after Christmas this year. So although we don't normally do 3 clients in a day, each one of them was quite happy to wait and be done all at the same time, and that's not something we normally do. Okay, hope you enjoyed that video. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Now, if you're already subscribed to the channel, thank you so much. But if you're not, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to click on the bell icon. It's really important. We've got tons of fantastic stuff to come through. Go and have a look through the channel if you haven't done so already. Fantastic. Well, we look forward to seeing you on the next video.